Welcome into the era of AI. Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can design LinkedIn banners. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, what is a LinkedIn banner, or otherwise known as a LinkedIn cover? Now, pretty much like Facebook, every other social platform needs a background image. Take LinkedIn, for example, you have a banner. If you have a page, you would need a banner. If you have a profile, you'd also need a banner. In this particular case, I'm going to be showing you how you can create LinkedIn page banners. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Here, we have a couple of examples. So these are some examples of a page I named Career Advancers. And you can see how this looks. It actually does look pretty cool. So let's get right into it, shall we? So here we are inside of Leonardo. First of all, the prompts have been shared with you. So these are the banner prompts. Pretty much they're the same as the other prompts, except for you can use them as prompts to try because they're filled. Now here, Corporate Consult is the page. And of course, I could change the name to anything. Now, you could also, by the way, instead of creating a page banner, you can create a profile banner. Why not start there? So here, instead of Corporate Consult, we can just say Rowan Hamza. The prompt, let's just say design a banner for an AI expert, or an AI guru. That's more like what I am. And the description is professional, authoritative. Okay, so I'm just going to say advanced and artificial intelligence vibe, image elements, business professionals, So instead of business professionals, I'm just going to say an AI landscape with a Terminator-like figure on the right-hand side looking sharp. The text is, well, we're just going to say, actually, here, we can just remove that because I'm going to add it here. I'm just going to say Rowan Hamza. Instead of your partner in success, your AI guru. And I'm going to add the comment in a great, solid, easy to read font. The font style is clean and professional. We're just going to say glitch and robotic. Color scheme, navy blue, Okay, so I'm just going to go and say cyberpunk colors. And as far as the background is concerned, I can just remove this. And guess what? We still didn't do the most important thing, which is to add the dimensions. Now, as far as the dimensions are concerned, you can go to Canva to check them out. So if you go and look for LinkedIn cover, for example, I'm pretty sure, now this is not the one, LinkedIn background photo. It's 1,584 by 396. So if we divide that by 2, because I don't believe that we can create something that looks like this. So generally, in terms of pixels, so 396 multiplied by 4 will give us this. So it's basically 4 by 1. That's more like what it is. 4 by 1 inches. So let's go back and see if we can create it. I'm not sure, because the least that we can do, or the most that we can do, is a 3 by 1 inches. So we can't really do that. But, we're just going to do this one like this. And of course, we can generate. Now it's going to generate the banner for us. And at the same time, we can go to Canva and start the project so that when the design is ready, we can take the design and use it. So here we have the LinkedIn background photo. Let's click. And of course, let's just take, I have multiple photos of myself. I think I can use one of them. But since I asked it to put my image, or an image of a Terminator on the right, I don't think that it would be necessary for me to put my image. But of course, you can just drag and drop your image if you have an image and place it, whatever you want to place it on the design. Note as well that you have multiple templates to benefit from that will allow you to create the stunning design that you wish. Of course, these are templates, which means you need to edit them, modify them, but of course, they are made for you. So you can have your own LinkedIn LinkedIn banner in a matter of seconds. Now, I'm just going to say LinkedIn profile picture. Now, also, Midjourney is also really, really good at designing banners. As a matter of fact, the banner I designed for my own LinkedIn was created via Midjourney, and it's awesome. So here, it seems that it's taking quite some time to design this banner, very surprisingly. I think it's maybe because the dimensions are wide, but here we go. So you can see that this is really cool. Ron Hamza, your AI guru, and we have another one, Ron Hamza, your AI guru. And we have another one, Ron Hamza, your AI guru. You can pick whichever one of them you like. Now, note that if you pick this one right here, normally your image is going to be somewhere here. Now, I have to show you a LinkedIn profile to explain. I'm going to show you my profile, not because I'm doing the promotion for myself, but because it's my profile, okay? So I'm not going to take another person's profile. So for instance, this is my LinkedIn profile. So normally what you have to understand is that this area right here is going to hide whatever text you have. So what you must do is you must make sure that your text is a little bit more towards the center of the screen so that it can be readable. So in this case, I think this banner is extremely good. So I will just download it. And at the same time, when we come back right here, I can go and drag and drop this to the design, but at the same time, we can use the magic grab or text grab tool in the Magic Studio to move the text slightly, but I think and I fear that it's going to take away from the quality of the font. Now, another fix that you can do is you can actually double click and maybe, just try to, I don't think we can do that, but let me try it. Maybe I can make this a little bit bigger, place it right there. But I think we will have to resort to moving this using the tool. So if you click Edit Image, you can actually select with the grab text and you can drag this slightly right here. It's going to change the font, so it's not going to be the same font. But this is pretty much it. So that's it for this video. Next, I have something very exciting for you because this is something of my passion. I can show you how you can create awesome Pinterest pins. Pinterest is a great source of traffic. So if you do Pinterest marketing by creating pins on Pinterest, you can benefit from some traffic. I can show you an example of a website I just started 6 days ago. I think I posted somewhere around 120 blogs and 100 and maybe actually more than 100. I think maybe 120. 120 pins. We didn't really get so much traffic. I think maybe in 7 days we got something like 1,600 visitors to the website. But all of them are organic, coming from Pinterest. But I'm not really intending to get organic traffic because I pay for traffic. I will pay for traffic. Okay, this is ClickBank marketing we're talking about. So I'm not going to send organic traffic to a ClickBank link. I'm only warming up the Pinterest pin page with a Pinterest page with pins, and I'm warming the website up so that when I launch the ads, I could, not have issues with my account getting suspended every now and then. So let's just go and check that out in the next video.